Now, here's our second one, and this is section 4.5, and it's another money problem. Adrian has 34 coins. They are half dollars and nickels. So I'll call H plus N equals 34. H is the number of half dollars, N is the number of nickels, and the total number of coins is 34. And so the value of these coins is $13.40. And so half a dollar, $0.5 times the number of half dollars, so it gives us a total value of half dollars, and plus 0.05 times the times the number of nickels gives us the total value of our money in nickels. Now I'm going to segregate this from the next line. And what we'll do, we want to get rid of these decimals. So H plus N equals 34. That's not going to change, but we'll multiply this guy by 100. Multiply both sides by 100. 100. When we do that, we'll move the decimal place over twice. So we get, moving this decimal over twice, we get 50H plus 5N equals 1340. Now, if only we could get eliminate either H or N. Well, we can eliminate either one, whichever one you want. Let's multiply this top equation by -5. -5. In doing that, what we'll have is -5H minus 5N equals, and 10 times 34 is 340, and half of that is going to be 1 negative, and it's going to be -170. If we double 100, we get 200, and if we double 70, we get 140. And you might say, what's this doubling stuff? I don't get it. Well, isn't 10 2 times 5? So what I do, I multiply by 10. When I multiply by 5, I multiply by 10 and divide by 2. And it's an easy way for me to keep track of multiplying by 5. Anyhow, now let's add the next equation, and we get 50H plus 5N equals 1340. And now we'll add these things up, and the 5N's add out, and we get 45H equals, and when we subtract this from this, 0 from 0 is 0, 7 and 7 is 14, and I think we're going to get an 11 here. Check me, make sure I'm right. But we borrowed 1 from the 3 to get a 14, so we have a 2, then we subtract 1 from 2 and we get a 1. Now, next thing, we've got to isolate H, so we'll multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 45. 1 over 45. And the product of reciprocals is 1, so we get H equals, and when you carry out that division, what we get is H equals 45 goes into 1170, 20, 6 times. Check that out. Get your calculator. Make sure I'm right. Now we need 34 coins altogether. Notice h plus n equals 34. Well, we're at 26, so 8 plus 26 is 34, so the number of nickels must equal 8. And let's check it out. Let's make sure that's right. If we have 26 half dollars, well, if we had 24 half dollars, what we'd have is $13. Excuse me. If we have 26 half dollars, what we're going to have is $13. 13. And if we have 8 nickels, what we're going to have is 40 cents. And if we add that up, we get 1340. I hope that's what we started with. It is. So we did it right. And we're done.